7 Ways Turmeric Benefits Your Health. Turmeric, a beloved cousin of ginger, is a root that has a plethora of uses in our kitchens and lives. Turmeric has a distinct earthy flavor, with a hint of lemony bitterness and the numbing punch of pepper, and is bright orange-yellow in color with a strong aroma. With its main component curcumin, it is a staple in every Indian cookery, giving the delicious meals a beautiful yellow tint. Haldi, dubbed the most potent spice of all, is the go-to remedy for a range of health issues in every Indian home. Antioxidant, antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal, anti-carcinogenic, anti-mutagenic, and anti-inflammatory are just a few of its therapeutic characteristics, which should be enough to have you study it up and reconsider its use in your diet. The usage of this spice may be dated back 1,000 years in India and China. It has been linked to improving overall body health, and as a result, it is becoming more popular in the Western world. The following are some of turmeric's many incredible health advantages. 1. Provides relief from arthritic pain. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory qualities have proven to be effective in the treatment of osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. In addition, the antioxidant eliminates free radicals in the body that cause cell damage. Anyone suffering from the disease should take the spice on a regular basis to treat moderate joint aches and inflammation. 2. Good for your brain. Aromatic turmerone is another powerful component found in turmeric that has received less attention than curcumin. This chemical stimulates repair in brain stem cells, the same stem cells that can aid in the recovery from neurodegenerative disorders like stroke and Alzheimer's. Curcumin may also assist Alzheimer's sufferers enhance their memory. 3. Aids in digestion. Turmeric, when taken raw and in the presence of a digestive issue, can aid in the management of the disease. The spice's main ingredients stimulate the gallbladder to generate bile, which improves the digestive system's efficiency right away. It has also been shown to help with bloating and gas. 4. It has healing properties. It is an excellent disinfectant due to its inherent antiseptic and antibacterial characteristics. To aid in quicker healing, the powder can be dusted over the afflicted region. Instead of popping a pill, give this super spice a try the next time you have an upset stomach or heartburn. 5. Turmeric and diabetes. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant qualities have been shown to help patients with prediabetes postpone the onset of type 2 diabetes. It also aids in the regulation of insulin levels and enhances the effectiveness of diabetic medicines. It is, nevertheless, necessary to seek medical advice before mixing it with powerful medications. 6. Helps boost immunity. Lipopolysaccharide, an antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal compound found in turmeric, aids in the stimulation of the human immune system. Take a teaspoon of the spice powder in a glass of warm milk once a day and you'll see that it works wonders in lowering your flu risk. 7. Helps your liver detox. Turmeric is known to boost the production of essential enzymes that help the liver cleanse our blood by breaking down and removing pollutants. Turmeric is also beneficial to liver health since it improves blood circulation. Fresh, unpeeled turmeric should be stored in the refrigerator in an airtight plastic bag for 2 to 3 weeks. You may also slice it into numerous one-time use pieces and freeze them for up to 2 months, making sure they're well packed to avoid drying out. If you're buying turmeric powder, make sure it's organic and that it's kept in an airtight container. Turmeric already has a plethora of culinary applications in Indian cuisine. Given the numerous health advantages it provides, this potent spice may be used to enhance the quality of our lives by adding it to a range of foods. Turmeric powder may be used in curries, smoothies, warm milk, salads, stir-fried meals, and pretty much anything else. While turmeric supplements in pill form are now available, fresh turmeric is thought to be the most beneficial. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.